Fucking dogs. So a rattlesnake just went across the road. And a bunch of my dogs were chasing it. Trying to fuck with it. That'd be you, bitch. And now the snake is gone. And I yelled at my dogs a lot. Because I'm a mean person. But snakes are not toys. And I've had dogs almost die from rattlesnake bites. It's not okay. Hey, come on, let's go. We're leaving. Leave the fucking rattlesnakes alone. Do not fuck with rattlesnakes. Just causes a medical problem for me, and I don't want to lose any dogs. Arr. Arr. Shit pisses me off so much.